Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding with PS. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the pattern sliding window of data structures. And this is a pattern which can be commonly found on lead code. So let's get started. So we have an array with values A, B, C, D, E, and F. So what we are going to do is a sliding window of size 3 would cover it as shown below. So 0, 1, 2. So this is the size of the window. So what we are going to do is push this to over here B, C, D, and we subtract this. Suppose we want to get the maximum sum of an array. So this is the array 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, 2. So the window sum is equal to initialized as 0 and max sum is 0 and k is equal to 3, which is given in the question. So window sum, so 2 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we're going to put max sum is equal to 8. For now, in the next iteration, what we're going to do is we know the maximum sum 8 and we know the first element is 2. So we're going to add this and subtract the first element. We add this element 1 and we subtract 2. We get maximum sum as 8 because the maximum sum is in all the iteration till now is 8, and the window sum for this particular iteration is 7. And subtract 1 and we add 3 to the sliding window, we get the maximum sum as 9. And in the last iteration, we're going to do is we're going to subtract 5 and add 2. So window sum is 6 and maximum sum is 9. So let's see a question. We're doing a question from lead code 75 and the name is maximum average subarray. So let's see the first example. We're inputting an array called names and an element called k. This is the window size and we have to calculate the maximum average, which is this is the maximum average, and the output should be 12.75. Okay, so initially what we have to do is calculate the maximum sum of these elements, like the first 4 elements. So what we're going to do is name a variable called window sum, win, and we're going to calculate the sum of the first few 4 elements, which is equal to k. So let's try it is equal to 4. So what this is going to do, this is get the sum of 1, 12, minus 5 and 6. And next what we're going to do is let's store this window sum into maxi, and we're going to do maxi is equal to, so if we add this we get 1 plus 12 minus 5 minus 6, we get 2. Okay, so now let's make a for loop for i in range. We're gonna start at k and we're gonna end it at nums. Okay, so it's gonna, the value of I is 4 and it's gonna and end over here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 comma 6. This is the particular value window sum, and we're gonna add the next element, which is 50, and we're gonna subtract the first element from the sum. So window size is equal to window plus nums at I. Okay, and next we're gonna do the subtraction. So nums at I minus k. So let's try the dry run. So initially the window size for this is 50. So this is 51. This comes as 51. Okay. And the first value of I is 4. I mean, yeah, I is equal to 4 and k is equal to 4 as well. and num set I is 50, and num set I minus k is equal to the first element, and I is the next element, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna get the maximum out of the both. So window comma maxi. So initially the window size was 2, but now the window size is 51. Okay, so we're gonna calculate max at 51 comma 2. So we're gonna get maxi is equal to 51. Now we have to return the value of maximum, but we have to return in float value, which is a decimal 12.7. We're going to do is we're going to return maxi and we're going to divide by 4. So here, I mean not 4, we're going to divide by k, and here k is equal to 4 and maxi value on the first example is 51, right? So let's run this question now, and the test cases passed, both of them. Okay, I'm gonna submit, and yes. Okay, this is how we do the sliding window question on LeetCode. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and do leave a comment below. Till next time, see you in the next one.